Welcome back to today's video. So guys, in today's video I'll be explaining many things you need to actually pay attention to. Right now guys, we have actually break out from this box you actually see here. We actually break out, right? You actually see here. Now recently I was actually talking about the RSI, which I was actually talking about the RSI. You can actually see the RSI is currently on a downtrend. We are currently, so guys, so as you can actually pay attention that recently we also consolidate around this area. We break out, right, which you actually see this consolidation here before we actually see that breakout. Right now again guys, we actually consolidate here. We are having that breakout, right? But we need to actually see more move to the upside. So that's why you need to actually pay attention guys. More move to the upside is likely in the price of Bitcoin. We have also settled here following the down price of this place. I also consolidate around this area, having that shopping move, consolidate around this area, ready for that explosive move that is actually going to come very soon. We need to actually pay attention guys. I'm going to talk about the possibility where you need to actually pay attention. The arrows you actually need to pay attention. Let's actually check in the 1 hour time frame, right? So guys, if we look at the 1 hour time frame, you can currently find out that after we actually break out from the box, we have been trading around this area. Which is outside the box, above the box, right, in the hourly time frame. And also the guys, we actually have a huge move to the upside, right, after the Bitcoin ETF trading went live, hitting up to $49,000 in price, which is very good guys, which is very good. And then crash when people can actually buy Bitcoin ETF. They can actually buy Bitcoin ETF, but they can actually sell Bitcoin ETF. Customer can actually buy and sell Bitcoin ETF, but can't buy Bitcoin ETF. That's why we actually see this major down move here. I mean, all these moves are just small move, right? One time actually getting asserted is, like I said, Bitcoin did not actually move after they actually announced that the spot Bitcoin ETF has been approved, which is a very good sign. Talking about the immediate short term, what are we actually seeing here is that Bitcoin is currently consolidating. Here is a low and here is the top, breaking out from this range. Then likely guys, we need to actually pay attention to these levels, right? We need to actually pay attention to these levels. Let me dive into the 4 hour time frame so that we got to zoom this well. Okay, I think we need to go to the 2 hour time frame to actually zoom this well. We need to actually pay good attention. If we are to break any of these levels, right, if we are to break to the upside, right, because this is an empty stick, right? This stick you actually see here is an empty stick, right? So likely guys, maybe we are actually going to consolidate to actually fill this up, right, creating more higher move that is going to actually take the price of Bitcoin to $50,000. So once we actually break here, which is actually going to make Bitcoin to actually create a new high. But guys, if we actually fail to consolidate here, right, maybe we have that down move, right, breaking below this recent low you actually see here. There's a high chance that we are actually going to come down more below $44,000 in the price of Bitcoin. We need to actually pay attention to. Now talking about the RSI guys, we are currently right now, you can actually see the RSI. We are creating a bearish sign on the RSI, right? Why we tend to actually be I think nothing to draw at this point, but let us actually focus on the RSI, right? In the 2 hour time frame, we can actually start to see that this has been oversold, right? This has been oversold, right? You can actually see that this this is just waiting for the right movement, right? This is oversold, oversold, oversold. Once we actually trigger this, it's currently going to be oversold, and we're actually going to wait for a huge move that is going to happen in the RSI, which is as likely going to actually make Bitcoin trend on a resistance level. Then we have that massive spike to the upside. We need to actually pay attention to what is currently happening, the level we need to actually pay attention to, because right now, guys, if we actually lose this low, if Bitcoin break below this low, likely we're actually going to go down more, because if I should be talking about this price, I'm talking about 44,000 plus. If we break below this low, that means likely we are actually going to we are actually likely we are likely going to come back in to this box you actually see here. This is a liquidity zone where we actually have the massive spike to the upside, right? Likely, guys, we are actually going to come back to this zone, which is 43,000 plus. So we need to actually pay attention, right? So right now, what I'm saying is that the RSI is looking good. The RSI is looking good. So what we be expecting is that we are actually going to consolidate on a downtrend small and later pump to the upside. Likely, we are actually going to create that resistance level. Then we actually pump to the upside. Likely, guys, we need to actually pay attention. Then we are actually going to have this move, something like this, right? Something like this. Then breaking that level. We need to actually pay attention to what is currently happening in the crypto market. This is technical analysis, guys. Don't forget to actually join my Telegram community. Don't forget to join my WhatsApp community, right? And guys, I have a good news for you. Bitcoin on that Bitcoin reward is right now. Let me show you. So guys, Bitcoin reward will be listing cryptocurrency on the platform. Cryptocurrency will be listed on Bitcoin reward, right? And as you can actually see the article that is written here, you can actually take a look at yourself. You can actually take the look, right? Saying that our users can actually will be able to purchase cryptocurrency as product on Bitcoin reward. That means what is currently going to happen is that you are going to actually see cryptocurrency will be listed on Bitcoin reward, and those cryptocurrency will be altcoins and meme coins that will be listed on Bitcoin reward. So that means you can actually trade, you can actually buy cryptocurrency from Bitcoin reward. You can actually see this is a new improvement on the Bitcoin reward community. So guys, if you have not actually signed up on Bitcoin reward, make sure to use the link in the description, so that if they're actually listing any of your coins that you're actually planning to buy, you can actually use Bitcoin reward to actually buy any of those altcoin or meme coin. So guys, also if you want to actually buy gift card, go on to Bitcoin reward in the description, guys. Use the link to actually register. Simple, easy, simple, right? Use the link to actually register, buy any of your favorite gift card, and you're actually going to receive it through your email, guys. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Goodbye.